I'm working on my PS1 analog horror game, and in the last devlog, I made a Windows 95 style main menu. You guys gave me great feedback both on Reddit and here in the YouTube comment section, and you also gave me ideas, so let's implement those. You should use old checkboxes for the settings screen. The switch buttons feel a bit off, checkboxes would feel more Windows 95. Luckily, this was pretty simple to implement. I just replaced my toggle buttons with these checkboxes. Then I changed the path for the nodes in my variables. And now everything's the same, but with checkboxes. I have to agree, it looks much better. The smooth high FPS fade in /out also doesn't really fit. Nor does chromatic aberration. Skin lines would have been a better option if you're trying to emulate a CRT look. I limited the FPS to 25, and I thought implementing the skin lines will be easy, because there's a settings for this in the shader I use, but man, I was wrong. I wanted to make it adjustable in the settings, in case people don't like skin lines. So I added a slider to my settings menu. In my shader script, the skin lines value is between 0 and 1, but as you can see, the Godot slider can only work with integers. So I decided to increase the max value to 100, then I divided it in the script so the shader can use this value. Then there was the other problem. Godot uses strings for the shader parameters. So I had to figure out the string for the skin lines opacity, otherwise I can't change the value in the script. Nope, not working. Let's try it like this. Maybe I have to write it like this. Okay, fuck the skin line slider, what's the next suggestion? Kenny himself pointed out that those Windows 95 icons are probably not free to use, so I had to replace them. If you don't know who Kenny is, he's the guy who's making tons of great game assets for absolutely free. I use his Godot splash screen in my game, and I also participated in his game jam last year. So I tried to draw an icon for my start button. I tried drawing this film roll, but yeah, I'm not good at art. So instead, I just scaled down this image. And it looks quite good actually. Then I tried to do the same tactic with this folder, then with this computer, but the result was not great. In fact, they looked horrible. But luckily, I found free assets on the internet, so I used those. Instead of a computer, I used this gear icon for my settings menu. You've also suggested an extras menu. I'll implement it after I finish the game, because right now I don't have anything to put there. It needs a computer icon and a trash bin, and when you put the computer icon into the trash, it crashes with a blue screen. Okay, so I'll have to draw a computer icon anyway. I started with the recycle bin icon. Then I drew the computer. Okay, it doesn't look that bad, I think I'll label it acceptable. So yeah, now you can drag it into the bin, you'll get a blue screen, and the game closes. So, I've been working on the menu for a few days now, and I've barely made any progress with the game itself, so in the next devlog, I'll actually implement the cave system we did in our 12-hour mascot horror video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.